devastating Maoist attack just 2 days before elections killed the BJP lawmaker of Chhattisgarh's Dantewada on Tuesday afternoon. His driver and 3 security personnel also died in that attack. 40-year-old MLA Bhima Mandvi was out for campaigning. The police said that he had gone to the area against their advice. Prime Minister Modi condemned the attack and said that it was deeply anguishing. The Election Commission has sought a report but said that the polling in the state will be held as per scheduled. Dantewada votes on the 11th of April in the first phase.
यदि कोई इंजर्ड है उनके इलाज की प्राथमिकता है। इसके पश्चात पूरा घटना की समीक्षा की जाएगा। जो गाड़ी जिसमें माननीय विधायक जी बैठे थे उसी गाड़ी आईईडी के चपेट में आया है। काफी पावरफुल इंपैक्टफुल आईडी लग रहा है। काफी बड़ा एक गड्ढा क्रैटर क्रिएट हो गए और फायरिंग होने का भी जानकारी भी मिला नहीं है। दंतेवाड़ा के विधायक श्री भीमा मंडावी उनकी जो वाहन के चालक है और 3 पीएसओ कुल 5 लोग का इस घटना में मृत्यु होने का जानकारी मिल रहा है।
हमारी सरकार बस्तर सहित पूरे प्रदेश में आदिवासी जनता का विश्वास जीतने का सतत प्रयास कर रही है। इस बात से नक्सली बौखला गए। यह जघन्य वारदात उनकी बौखलाहट का ही नतीजा है। नक्सली लोकतंत्र के खिलाफ हैं और किसी सूरत में लोकतंत्र को सफल होने नहीं देना चाहते।
And NDTV's Anurag Dwari is in Dantewada on his way to that attack site. He sent us this report.
Just 48 hours before the Lok Sabha polls here in Bastar region, 5 people, including BJP MLA Bhima Mandavi, were killed in a Naxal attack in Dantewada. You can see the impact of that improvised explosive device IED used by the Naxals in that attack, which took place here in Nakulnar. The BJP MLA was coming from Kirandul Madai Bazaar and he was being advised to keep away himself and his supporters from this particular area. You can see the impact. The vehicle was ripped apart. This is the Scorpio in which he was traveling. If I can show you, my camera person can show you the pamphlets which were there in the car. Shoe, probably a tiffin box in this vehicle. If my camera person can show you, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has called for a high-level meeting. This attack which took place between Kuankota and Shamgiri Hills, when the escort vehicle of the state police was targeted with the IED. We have shown you the impact of the IED, and in this attack the PSO and the 4 personnel of the Chhattisgarh police were killed, including the BJP MLA from Bastar. He is the lone MLA from the BJP in Bastar region. There are 12 MLAs from Bastar region, out of which 11 are from the Congress. The Prime Minister has also condemned the attack. In Bastar will go to polls on 11th of April, and a security blanket of over 80,000 police personnel and drones has been deputed in and around the Naxal-infested Bastar region. But clearly, they are also keeping a close eye on the representatives as well as the movement of the security forces. And because of that, this attack has happened. We are also been advised by the security forces to move away from the area and to keep our camera and everything switched off. We are just being advised. We have seen the security forces are also moving away from the area, so we will also move away. This is the ground zero where exactly the attack has happened in Dantewada. With camera person Rizwan Khan, Anurag Dwari for NDTV.